Planning your wedding should be one of the most exciting and joyful times in your life. But I realize that it can also be somewhat stressful and overwhelming. And that's why Marriage Meander has created a wedding planning event called a Marriage Meander Journey. It's been designed to save you time and money and help you streamline your planning right from the start. Here's what to expect from one of our Marriage Meander journeys. You'll jump on a luxury coach with us and you'll be transported to 3 to 4 different wedding venues. At each venue, you will get to enjoy a site visit, engage with the on-site host, and you'll be treated to some delicious food tastings. All of this without having to pick up the phone or send an email to arrange a site visit of your own. You'll get tips, tools, and trends from top wedding professionals. What a great way to learn from the best in the industry, all within one space and in an intimate, relaxed, and fun setting. You will save time and money and learn how to have an awesome wedding without going into debt. Plus, there are some amazing giveaways that we have lined up for every couple that joins us, and some very cool prizes up for grabs too. You'll have fun planning your wedding with your fiance or maybe your mum, your sister, your bestie, and you'll share the experience with a bunch of other engaged couples who are in the same boat as you. In my opinion, joining us on a Marriage Meander journey is one of the best investments that you could make for your wedding. But don't take my word for it. Go onto the info page and have a look to see what some other couples have had to say who've been on our previous journeys. And I do hope that we will get to see you at one of the next ones. Bye.